Yes, we're back again today. Imagine finding a tiny seed that costs almost nothing, but one day grows into a huge tree. That's what many people dream of when they look for cheap stock with big potential. Today's topic, we're talking about big stock with a big potential. So these stocks are cheap in the market to buy, are cheap in the market, but they've got big potentials. That is the topic for today, and watch till the end of this video because you're going to benefit. Now, what does cheap with potential means? A cheap stock isn't just a low price stock. Please take note. It's a company that might be worth much more in the future and than what you pay just now. So, but low price can also mean high risk. So the trick is knowing what to look for. Now we'll break this down into 3 simple steps so you can understand what it means. If you're watching this video and if you watch this video to the end, you will benefit and you'll be able to invest your money wisely. Number 1, the company is growing. Okay, like I said, cheap stock might have big upsides. 1, the company is growing. Are sales rising? That's the question you need to ask yourself. Are more people using their products? If the business is growing, the stock price may grow as well. So you investing in such company, tomorrow there's potential that those stocks will be big. Then number 2 is the stock is undervalued. So if you buy this stock and tomorrow there's a rise or there's an inflation on the positive side to this stock, that company grows, automatically you are also grown. You grow as well. So that sometimes good companies trade at low prices because the market isn't noticed then yet. Say for new starters, low PE, solid cash flow, or strong assets can be clues. So now another thing you need to understand, number 3, is the company solves a real problem. So if a business is helping people or lowering cost or offering like, let me say, sales or bonanza, or offering something unique, it may have long-term potential. And that is why they do these promos once in a while, not because they're running bankrupt, no, but because they want to get more people to buy their stock. And if you're one of those lucky people that do not doubt and just be positive and buy this stock, there is potential that this stock will grow in future, and automatically you are grown. So example of cheap stock with potential categories are not recommendations, but just ideas of where people can look for. 1, small cap tech setup. So they are young, innovative, and sometimes undervalued. And another thing to look out for is green energy companies. So these green energy companies, their demand is rising worldwide. You and I can beat our chest that that's absolutely true. Then number 2 is turnaround companies. So businesses fixing past mistakes can bounce back strongly. So say for example, this business is not been doing great, and you've tried to revamp the business. In future, there's potential that it's going to grow. So investing in such companies is going to really help. So this kind of companies can be affordable at the initial start of trying to rebuild their brand, and sometimes prices surprises everybody. People will be doubting, oh, why is their stock so low? Some people will not want to even buy because they'll think, oh, maybe they want to go bankrupt. But try to believe in yourself, okay? But remember, cheap stock can rise fast and can also fall fast. So that is the reason why only invest what you can afford to lose and spread your money across different companies. Think long term, not just rich quick. Like I said, a lot of people come on this social media because they want to make money quickly. I look at it on a long-term run because I believe if I go more followers and my pages get monetized, I make money. But that is not my priority. My priority is to pass this message. Well, a lot of people lack idea of how to invest their money. They believe buying things, leaving money in the bank is the only investment they know. No. Cheap stock with high potentials are like hidden treasures, you know. Some shine, some don't. But the patient research and a little courage, you can find. But with patience, you can find businesses that grow far beyond their price tag. So that is the reason why you need to decide where you want to invest your money. I know there are a lot of people out there that are business owners, they are self-employed, self-proprietors and proprietors. But please remember the fact that you are making money today. If you don't save that money in the long run, you are going to regret. According to Gege, your other name is going to be your last name. So I strongly believe in that ideology. So you really need to invest your money now. If you want to make your money, if you want to save your money in the bank, it's fine, absolutely okay. But then you need to invest your money in multiple companies, buy shares, buy stock, so that your future will be guaranteed, your retirement will be guaranteed. So this is the only advice I've got for you this weekend. But please, 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 if you've got any questions, you've got my DM me. If you want to go about how to start, whatever. In my last video, I did talk about investing in Apple, Google, Microsoft, and so many of them that I did listed in my previous video, about 7 of them. Go back and watch that video and you thank me later. Investing in multiple and having multiple streams of income, not just one, goes a long way. A passive one, like coming on social media to start doing content alone, is a passive income. This is money that you never even you never thought of having. It's an extra income that is not from your main source of income. So it's something that is nothing bad in it. You coming out there to do passive income or having multiple streams of income. That is the way it is right now. So thank you for watching. This is Chrissantus Investment. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, kindly like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.